Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss gas chromatography. First we see what is gas chromatography. The chromatography, it is a separation technique, and gas chromatography is also separation technique. Then we see the definition of gas chromatography. It is the method of separating volatile or gaseous sample by using gas as the mobile phase. That means in this chromatography there is separation between the volatile or gaseous sample by using gas as the mobile phase. Then we see the principle. In gas chromatography, the mixture to be separated should be in gaseous phase, and the mobile phase used will be always in the gaseous state. Usually an inert gases such as nitrogen, helium or argon is used. Depending upon the stationary phase, there are two types of gas chromatography, that is gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. So there is two type of stationary phase, one is solid and another is liquid, and the mobile phase, that is gas, which is constant. Then we see gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. In gas solid chromatography, the stationary phase is in the solid state, the liquid phase is absent. The stationary phase is coated in the inner surface of the column, and the molecules in the stationary phase will interact with mobile phase through adsorption forces. In GSC, the stationary phase is solid, and there is a separation of stationary phase component and mobile phase component, which is depend upon the adsorption forces. Then second is gas liquid chromatography. Here the stationary phase is non-volatile liquid, and the liquid stationary phase is coated on the inner surface of the column. The mobile phase will be inert gases such as nitrogen, helium or the argon. That means in both type of the chromatography, the mobile phase is constant, that is gas, and gases are the inert gases like nitrogen, helium or the argon. Then we see the similarities between gas solid chromatography and gas liquid chromatography. Both are the separation techniques and both uses gases as the mobile phase. Both are used for the separation of volatile components and the mixture. Both types of gas chromatography, similar types of detectors are used. Then we see the instrumentation. This is gas liquid chromatography. There are some important components such as carrier gas reservoir, then sample injection system, column, detector and readout device. So here we discuss one by one. First one is tank of carrier gas. A high pressure carrier gas cylinder which containing a chemically inert gases such as nitrogen, helium, argon or carbon dioxide. That means there is a gas cylinder which contain a chemically inert gases. That is, this is the tank of carrier gas. Then generally helium gas is used as a carrier gas. Then hydrogen gas is not used because of its inflammable nature. The choice of carrier gas depends upon the purity of component, availability, consumption and types of detector employed. The cylinder is also attached with a pressure regulator to control a gas flow. That means there is a pressure regulator which controls the gas flow, and this regulator is attached to a cylinder. Then second type is sample injection system. A liquid sample are injected by a micro syringe with a needle which is inserted through a silicon rubber septum into a heated metal block by a resistance heater. So for the insertion of the sample, the micro syringe is used. Gaseous sample are injected by a gas tight syringe or through bypass a loop and the wall. Typical sample volume ranges from 0.1 to 0.2 ml. Then third component is chromatographic column. The column are made up of glass or the metal tube. The length of the column is about 2 to 3 meter and its internal diameter is about 2 to 4 millimeter. Then the column tube is in the form of a circular spiral coil of 3 or 4 tons and placed in a temperature controller oven. In the chromatographic column, the column is in the form of the circular spiral, that is in the form of the coil, and it have about 3 or 4 tons. This coil is placed in temperature controller oven, that is thermostat. At one end of the column, the mobile gas phase is passed through an injection port. The column is packed with the powder solid support. Usually, fire bricks or diatomaceous earth is used as a solid support. The liquid like paraffin oil, silicone, gum rubber, glycerol, hydroxy acid can be used as a stationary liquid phase. Then, the next part is detector. Detector is used to detect the components of the mixture, and the separated components are provide signal. There are 3 types of detector used. First is thermal conductivity detector, flame ionization detector, and last one is electron capture detector. In my last video, I will explain the thermal conductivity detector, and in my next video, I will try to explain flame ionization detector and electron capture detector also. Okay, the next part is recorder. The recorder are used to record the response obtained from the detectors after the amplification. So, these all are the main component of gas chromatographic instrumentation. Thank you.